Today I'm going to demonstrate fairly quickly how to add a new event to the events calendar. We'll use this site as an example. This is for December 2011. We already have a few events loaded, or when you click the event you can go to the detail page, which doesn't have a lot of details, but gives the start and end time and a description, and that's what we'll be focused on today. So here's our calendar, which also I should show. If we click event list, we can see the upcoming events and their descriptions also here in that form. So let's go back to the regular calendar view. This tab is for the WordPress dashboard. We're already logged in. The events are done through the posts. So as I click here, I can add a new event. Now off to the side here, I've actually created a text file. There's all the details about the event. This will make it much quicker to add these events, especially since these are 2-day events. So I'll be copy and pasting. So our first one we're going to do is a pitching camp. Control C is copy, Control V is paste. So there's our title. I have a brief description. You'll notice in the description here, it's a paste, that I've noted a click here, and so we need to link that somewhere. So I'll highlight where I want to link, click the link button, and I'm going to link to an existing content, and I know it's called mini something, mini camps. So I'm looking for a page named mini camp. So mini is in, these are posts, because you can see they have dates on them. Here it says page, so that's what I'm looking for, is the mini camp page. Click that, puts in the address, hit add link, and now you'll see it's highlighted or underlined, and that means it's now linked. Since this is an event, part of making a post is we need to make sure we put a post in the correct category. It's an event. It's not one of our blog entries or our homepage rotator or just regular news. And we definitely do not want it to be uncategorized. That will happen automatically should we not choose an event. So the categories widget here is important. The events calendar is right here, and the way I do it is I'm going to first pick my dates, which is going to be the 21st. So it starts and ends on the 21st, since this is a 2-hour event. Starts at 10 a.m. We already have a.m. Ends at 12 noon. We have 2 hours there. And I like to put the date and the time in before I do the next 2 items, just because of the way the system works. So then after I do that, I choose that yes, it is an event. This is a key component. And then I uncheck all day. You'll notice my times went away, but they'll actually come back when I hit post or save. So since I already set, that makes it so I don't have to do a double save. If I hadn't set these times beforehand, when I hit published it would have been wrong times and I'd have to go back and do it. So this time it's going to be perfect because I did it first. So I hit publish, because that's all we need for this specific event. It's quite easy. And now it is saved. You'll see it's published. And when we go down here, you'll see the times are already set. And there we go. That's set. So now, if I go back here, remember I added that to the 21st. Nothing on the 21st. I refresh. Of course, pitching camp is now there. You can hover over it, get the details, click all the way through, and you'll see here's the complete details. Now this is a very short description. It could be much longer, of course. But if somebody clicks over here and they read that this camp's part of their mini-series, they can hit the click here, and that will actually take them to the detail page, which is another page on their website. It's actually located right here. So I'm just hitting back to go back to that page, and back again. You could also go directly to the calendar within the navigation. And it's as simple as that.